Hey, what is up guys? This is Mo. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Logitech G Pro wireless headset. This has been my main headset for a while now and I have a really good grasp on the pros and cons, so I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about it. Now the links to this headset is down in the description if you want to check it out after this review, as well as links to everything in my setup if you're interested in checking it out. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the overall quality and looks on this headset. The Logitech Pro Wireless has one of the best build qualities I've seen around. The whole thing feels really solid and the materials used here are really nice with a great fit and finish. You've got the leather padded headband with the word Pro embossed at the top here. The ear cups are built out of a solid plastic with a matte finish, and the sides here are finished off in a nice aluminum look with the G logo embossed in the middle. The mic feels really solid and flexible and is also removable. I love that the cables here are thick and twisted instead of the loose thin cables we see on other headsets. And I'm happy to report that this headset charges through USB-C. Now the charging port alongside all the other controls on the headset can be found on the left ear cup. You've got a wheel for the volume control, a slider for the on and off, which is a plus in my book because I hate holding the button to turn off and on like other headsets have. And finally, you have your mute button, which I think could have been implemented better, but more on that later. The headset doesn't have a 3.5 jack, so you can't use it with an aux cable. Alright, now let's move on to what you get inside the box. This is a premium headset and Logitech actually includes a couple of accessories that are really nice to have right in the package. You get a nice soft touch case to hold them while you're traveling. You also get the USB dongle for your fast wireless connection and the USB-C cable for charging. Now this cable isn't braided or anything, so it feels heavy and isn't that flexible. But this headset doesn't have a wired mode usage, so that doesn't matter much here. Now the headset itself comes with a leatherette foam ear pads, which are really high quality and comfortable, but Logitech also includes velour foam ear pads in the box, which are an absolutely amazing addition. I wear glasses, and if you do too, then you know that velour ear pads are our best friends. But if you also want something that doesn't block as much noise and is cooler on the ears, then velour ear pads are for you too. I appreciate that they included both kinds of ear pads here in the box. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do me a favor, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. This is the best way to support the channel as well as keep up with the video uploads. Now, let's get back to the review. Alright, so next up is comfort. This is arguably the most important category to review, and this headset really shines here. It's really comfortable to wear all day long, and it has become my main headset for a while now. I use it all day for work, and then I also use it when I game at night, so I wear this for at least 8 hours a day. They're really the best I've tried to date. They weigh only around 250 grams, so they're really lightweight, and sometimes you forget that they're even there. The headband is padded very well so it doesn't hurt the top of the head, and the premium materials and design are just really comfy overall. Now Logitech's wireless technology is absolutely amazing across all of its accessories, and there's no difference here. The wireless performance on the Logitech Pro Wireless is absolutely excellent. There's no lag or delay in anything that I do, and it has an instant real-time response. There's really no difference here between this headset and a wired headset. Now in terms of battery life, the Logitech Pro Wireless comes in at around 23 hours, and in my testing, I was able to get about 24 hours, so the claim here is right on the money. The headset doesn't have any RGB lighting, so you can expect 24 hours of battery life all the time. This number is really good, and there are a couple of headsets out there that can do more, but honestly, it's enough for 4 or 5 days here without charging. Alright, now on to mic quality. So I'm recording this straight through the headset, so this is what you can expect the mic to sound like on the headset. Logitech makes blue microphones, so you'd expect that the mic on their flagship headset would sound better, but sadly, this isn't the case. The mic here is really disappointing. Now don't get me wrong, for work calls, the microphone does the job well, and is probably better than your laptop's microphone. But I wouldn't recommend it if you're trying to stream games or do voiceovers. There is one little workaround that you can do to make it sound a little bit better, which can be found through the Logitech G app. So if you turn on the blue voice filter, it actually makes you sound a bit better and brighter. So this is what you can expect here in comparison to it off. So if I were you, I would make sure that I would enable the blue voice filter to make it sound a little bit better if this is your only microphone. Now the Logitech G software is also a great tool to customize how you want your headset to sound. You can change up the volume, also enable some advanced EQ filters, and save that onto the onboard memory so you can take it with you wherever you go. You can also enable the surround sound that comes with it, and change up the surround mode as well as super stereo mode. Alright, so with all of that out of the way, let's talk about how they actually sound. And I like to split this into two categories in all of my reviews. The first is going to be general performance, so this is things like work calls, music, editing videos, and so on. Here, the Logitech Pro Wireless does very well. The drivers pump out great volume levels, and the headset is really comfortable to wear for long hours. The battery is definitely going to last you a few work days without a charge, and they also have surround sound, which is great for movies that support that. Its reliability and quality makes it a great headset for the office. Now the second category is gaming use. This headset is compatible with both PC and PlayStation, but not Xbox. I play a lot of FPS games on PC, and the Logitech Pro Wireless definitely delivers with its fantastic clarity. You can hear footsteps very well and distinctly make out their directions thanks to its great surround sound. Overall, they pack a really nice punch in the bass, and the game feels really immersive when I have them on. This is definitely one of the best options you can get for gaming. Alright, so there's a lot that I like about this headset, but let's talk about some of the things I don't like. So the first thing that I think needs improvement is this microphone. And I think that Logitech knows that because they just released an extra accessory that you can purchase separately, which is a blue microphone that you can attach to this headset. Now the second improvement I think needs to be made is the mute button. So at the back here, when I press this button, all I can see is a red line at the back here, but there's no visual cue at the front to let me know that I'm muted. So it's happened a few times now where I'm on a call and I have no idea that nobody can hear me. So maybe a red light at the microphone here would be really helpful, just like we see on the HyperX headsets. And the final con that I see is that there's no wired mode. And at this price, I think there should be some wired functionality so that if you run out of charge, you can still use them. So overall, although I think some improvements need to be made here, and it's a bit too pricey, this is still my favorite headset because of the great build quality, as well as sound quality and all-day comfort. So if you're looking for an awesome gaming headset, I can really recommend this headset to you. Alright, and that was all for the Logitech G Pro wireless headset. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to smash the like button as well as subscribe to the channel with notifications on. This is the best way to support the channel as well as keep up with the video uploads. Now have an awesome day guys, and I'll see you guys next time.